All right, Heath, here we go. I'm going to polish off this case of Black Diamond Hockey. Box one to start. We'll go in numerical order. So 1, 4, 5. Why not? Why not? Good luck, sir. Let's get the autoed version of that Gretzky. Poe. Ryan Johansson, number to 149. Well, hello. Hello, Mr. Matthews. Patrick Watt at 249, and then behind him, Austin Matthews to 399 rookie gems. Heath. Attaboy. Next, number to 299, Hudson Fashing. Rookie Relics book. Next, Tyler Mott, number to 199, Rookie Gems autograph. And, sick chunk, Dylan Strome, Black Diamond Rookie Jumbos team logos. Poe, they're like, you remember those ones? Was that last year? It had to be last year because I think it was the first year of this style. But the press box, or do you know what I'm talking about? The media guide books, whatever. Those were the worst books I've ever seen, ever. Remember those? They were so bad. Ooh, nice. Oh, 1/1 Jesse Puljujarvi exquisite rookie. Boom. I was like, this one looks different. That would be why. Puljujarvi 1/1 exquisite rookie. Bingo. Looks in really good shape too. That's a monster. He's like, Heath can breathe a sigh of relief now. That's a, I mean, that's a monster card. Number to 249, Carey Price. Ryan O'Reilly. Is it not numbered? These ones psych me out every time. Yeah, not numbered. Not that I see. Next, Vladimir Tarasenko, number to 149. I think you've got your diamonds next. I think. Boom. Ivan Provorov, number to 99. Diamond Relic rookie triple. Provorov triple to 99. Sickness. And number to 104, Marty St. Louis championship banners. And what is in this last one? Did that have the 101 Puljujarvi and the triple diamond? That was a winning box. And look at this, Provorov again, number to 299, exquisite patch. Number to 99, Black Diamond base number Oliver Ekman Larson, OEL. And Sashnikov, number to 399, rookie gems. Number to 149, Braden Holtby. A 149. Rookie jumbo on the back of Pavel Zacha. And this next one could be dirty if it's autoed. Ooh, it's numbered to 25. I don't think it's auto, but Oh, it is. Oh, line A to 25 rookie team logo jumbo auto. Dang. Dang. 13 to 25 line A. That's insane. Heath, there you have it, brother.